Texas, until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Newport, or 13 miles northeast of Jacksboro, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Lake Armand G. Carter around 5:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Sunset around 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Fruitland, Park Springs, Cundiff, and Crafton. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately.